आइए, please take it. You will come
Second
earlier.
time, yes, sir, second time.
Sorry. But you can again introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Milan Jaswal.
Can you take out this? Feel comfortable to?
Jaswal. Milan Jaswal, yes, sir.
That may be one reason why we could not recognize you. Huh? Some excuse.
Okay.
Milan Jaswal, I am from Naunipada block, Sundargarh district. I completed my 10 and plus 2 from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Sundargarh district. Then I completed my BTech in Electrical and Electronics branch from Kaustubh Institute of Self-Domain, Bhubaneswar. After that I got married in 2015 and now I am a mother of a kid of 5 years old. My kid is 5 years old. And in 2018 only I started preparation for competitive exam and this is my second attempt in this exam.
Your optionals, Milan?
My options are history and geography, sir.
History. You saw the disintegration of Soviet Russia.
Yes, sir.
What are the main reasons, Milan?
Main reasons are glasnost and perestroika. That was adopted by then head of Russia, USSR, which led to the disintegration in 1991.
Okay. What about invasion of Afghanistan? That was also a reason?
Yes, sir, that was also a reason.
Now, the NDA, National Defense Academy, is going to open up its portals to women for.
Yes, sir.
Do you think it's a good move, Milan?
Yes, sir, it is a good move. In a
Hey,
society,
police is okay, police is it's a civil service, all said and done, it's not a military service. But to expose our women to the battlefronts and all the hardship and don't you think that that is a little carrying it too far?
I don't think, sir, it is carrying it too far because women are now heading every sector, from economics to policy making and everything. And women are in defense sector in other countries also. For example, USA also, women are serving in this defense sector. So I think it is a good move for as our government is promoting gender equality, women equality, and so it is a good move.
But don't you think it may have some bearing, some adverse effect on the family, the children, no?
So these problems are perpetual, they will always exist, but what is need to be done is to come out of this thing and do what is good for the woman and for the society also.
So you have been educated in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. What is this Navodaya Vidyalaya scheme and what is its significance in our education system?
The main idea behind Navodaya Vidyalaya was providing education and residential education free of cost to the people, students belonging to rural area where facilities for good education are not available. In present, there are 635 Navodaya Vidyalayas present in all districts except Tamil Nadu.
How you enter into this from the rural area?
Yes, sir, I am from a rural area, Naunipada. It is a village.
So that was the.
I had to give an entrance exam. When I qualified the exam, then I get admitted into Navodaya Vidyalaya.
You get a certificate that you are from that particular place, the rural area.
Yes, sir. Residential certificate is there for that. Needed for that.
Only rural, not urban?
Yes, sir. Urban people can also go, but it is main ambition was to educate the people from rural area.
But urban people can also take admission by
But
applying and appearing the. Then you BTech from?
Kaustubh Institute of Self-Domain, Bhubaneswar.
What is that institute? Kaustubh Institute of Self-Domain?
It is the
the
woman
name
only,
of the college.
woman only institute, sir. Only
Women?
for women.
Only for women.
Yes, sir.
It's a women institute
Yes.
providing technical education.
Technical education.
Okay, electronics and telecommunication. No, electronics and
Electrical, sir.
electricals. Okay, does this electronics has anything to do with satellites?
Yes, sir.
What sort of linkage it is?
Electronics, ICs are the main components of the satellites, integrated circuits, where input is given, output is, programs are also inbuilt in the ICs, which are the main component of the satellite, and ICs are made based on the electronics component. It is a basic component of electronics.
Okay, we have two different types of satellites as we came to know.
Yes.
One is a group of remote sensing satellites, another group of INSAT satellites, IRS series and INSAT series. Which group is mostly connected to this electronics and communication?
So both satellites are having electronics and communication ICs within it. Satellite for communication satellites is using more of a part of communication systems.
So what are the sensors that work there?
So
What are the kind of sensors they are used in the communication satellites? Because there are sensors specifically for the IRS satellite, there are sensors specifically for the communication satellites. So do you have any?
Yes, sir. Yes.
No idea. Yes. Cannot have touched to those areas. Okay. Okay, you are from Cuttack at the moment. You hail from Sundargarh, but at the moment you are from Cuttack.
Yes, sir.
Can you enlighten us something about this Marwadi fort?
It was an old fort called Kottaka.
All forts are old only.
Yes. Kottaka mainly called for military purpose fort, like cantonment board type. Kottaka, and
But
fort of old kings of Kottaka, where they put their militaries. For
do you remember the names of those people who have constructed the fort? No idea on that. Huh? So that's a great institution that you need to know.
Yes,
You
sir.
are mentioning the address of Cuttack.
Yes,
Try to read a fort. That may be
Yes.
one of your important questions.
yes, sir.
Okay. There is an indoor stadium at Cuttack.
Yes.
What is the name of that?
Jawaharlal Nehru Indoor Stadium.
Okay. So what is the significance of this Valley Jatra in Cuttack? Why Cuttack is organizing this Valley Jatra? It is supposed to be in Paradip somewhere where there is a port facility. It is supposed to be because of the linkage between Southeast Asia and the... But why it is so pride of Cuttack?
Sir, as far as I know, it is related to old Sadha Babahu Pratha and all, where they were having some kind of trade
But how it is linked to Cuttack city? So we are taking the pride in organizing at Cuttack and then
Sorry,
taking
sir.
the pride.
Why it is organized particularly in Cuttack, that thing I actually don't have any
Ah,
idea.
that could have come in Puri, that could have
Yes,
come in
sir, yes,
Baleswar, that could have come in any other place.
Yes, sir.
But why Cuttack is taking the pride of Valley Jatra?
I don't know. It must have some historical significance, but I don't have any idea.
There is a canal called Talnada Canal.
Other than
Ah,
that, yes.
where it starts and where it ends.
It is, I think, in front of medical college right now, but where it ends, I don't know. Sir.
From where it starts and where it ends. Okay, we just wanted to make you aware of, because these are some of your
Yeah, some
possibilities.
construction is going on in Talanda Canal, but actually I don't know the origin and where it ends.
That was the linkage from the sea to Cuttack city.
Yes,
Because Cuttack was the garrison town of the Britishers.
yes,
When the Britishers came,
yes,
for them it was easy to come through the water route.
yes.
So that was the purpose for which Talnada Canal was constructed. So that became the, so the ships used to come from Paradip onwards because Talnada Canal is linking Cuttack and Paradip.
Okay, sir.
So that is the whole connectivity between these two, and that is how Cuttack has been in the pride for trade
Okay, sir.
along with Paradip. So something you have to speak out, so please take care of that. And then you have the advantage of curricular activities like singing. Is it classical? Is it, what is Hindustan and what is Hindustani singing?
Originated in Hindustan, particularly indigenous to India, Hindustan.
We often say Carnatic Sangeet.
It is also kind of
Hindustani.
Hindustani.
But you need to say something more about, if you were mentioning as a hobby. You have mentioned it as a hobby.
Sir, I am not singing classical songs and all, but yeah, I should prepare.
Since you are mentioning this, I try to get into the different type of
Yes.
singing
Music.
songs and then something about chow dance also.
Yes.
Huh? Little bit of that. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Milan, you are from Navodaya schools. There are so many numbers of Navodaya schools, as you mentioned, 1600 something like that in the country, in Odisha also. But why then again government think that to open one Adarsa Vidyalaya in each block? What is the necessity of again opening the Adarsa Vidyalaya in each block?
Adarsa Vidyalaya is opened in line with Navodaya Vidyalaya scheme. Navodaya Vidyalaya is a central government kind of scheme, and Adarsa Vidyalaya is particularly opened by local government, that is BJP government in Odisha only. And I think Navodaya Vidyalaya is not serving all the people, so that's why Adarsa Vidyalaya is open to give more coverage to rural area people, tribal people, and as per the composition of the Odisha population, STSC population is quite high as compared to other states, so it will serve quite well for the upliftment of those students.
Okay. Milan, sometimes it is told that Indian constitution is a lawyer's paradise. Could you just explain why Indian constitution is called the lawyer's paradise?
Indian constitution is basically legislative, judiciary, and executive. So whenever there is a ultra vires, Supreme Court can make anything void, and in that perspective only, something is, if fundamental rights are violated, so we can directly go to the High Court and Supreme Court with petitions. So this is, I think this is the reason. So many amendments are going on in the constitution from the,
Okay, Milan, we opened it portal for the women applicants because of the verdict passed by the Supreme Court. Supreme Court made a ruling that India should open its portal for the women applicants. So this come under the judicial review of our judiciary. Can you tell something about the judiciary review?
if anything goes against the constitution, Supreme Court has a power to review this thing, whether it goes against the fundamental rights and basic structure of the constitution. So this is for judicial review. It can make it null and void if it is against the constitution basic structure, otherwise it will prevail. So
Okay, Milan, please tell something about the PIL.
Public interest litigation, PIL.
Yeah.
So anybody can go to court to give a petition. It may not be suo motu, only the affected person, not only the affected person, anybody can go to form a PIL, to give a PIL in the court to get the justice for the people. Those who are deprived of their or don't have basic knowledge and awareness about how to do all these things in the court.
Okay, when somebody's constitutional rights is being violated, where he has to take in the settle of the, in which court and under which section of the constitution?
Ma'am, if fundamental rights are violated, we can directly go to High Court or Supreme Court. And I don't have any idea about sections IPC sections of IPC where it is.
There is a remedies against the constitutional, the rights against the constitutional remedies. Have you just come across the article 29 to 32?
29 is dealing with minorities. 30 is also dealing with institutions of educational institutions of minorities. Article 32 is the constitutional remedies.
The constitutional remedies. Only in these constitutional remedies, whenever somebody's fundamental rights is affected, they can only take the center of the High Court, not below that. Because we have an integrated judicial system starting from the district level to up to the Supreme Court at the apex court. But they can go only to the High Court and above. Do you know also something about the judicial, that is Mandal Commission? Can you tell something about the Mandal Commission?
Mandal Commission is related to giving reservation to other backward classes. It was constituted in 1991, and on the recommendation of Mandal Commission, reservation to OBC categories.
Okay, now government is thinking that one census should be made on purely on the caste basis. What is your approach and view for that caste basis census? And how it will just benefit the society?
Caste census will include the people who are economically prosper than other people. Means we are giving reservation generation by generation, but it is sometimes needed that it should be made on economic basis also.
No, Bilan, you are telling something different. The census purely based on caste.
Yes,
Caste is something unchangeable.
yes, ma'am.
Caste is something unchangeable. But how it will benefit the society at large?
It will it will help government make policies and programs purely basis on the condition of that particular caste. Their wants
Suppose
and
within,
needs.
I'm talking one example. Suppose within the Brahmanis family that we are telling that unreserved category of the society, there are also some people who are having the very, very miserable condition, distressed condition, not even they are able to arrange a square of meal a day. So whenever we are just simply going on the caste-based census without the economic parameters of that, economic census is something different and caste-based census is something. How can we generalize that within a particular class that needs and that requires some set of benefits? Very minimum I am telling, whether the census based on the economic criteria for that particular person will help at large or the caste of that particular person will help at large.
Means
From
both
government
are
point of view.
needed. Both are needed for development. Because suppose if I give example of a Dalit people or STC people, they may be in outcasted or in a lower caste, but they may be prosper economically. They are in an economically good position, so that they don't want a reservation and other government initiatives for upliftment. Sometimes seats are being reserved for economically stable people, which could be taken up by a desirable candidate whose family is not economical that much sound. So both should be taken into consideration.
Okay. I think what is today's assessment? Probably you must be feeling that the previous interview was better than today's.
Both are good. Actually, I came to know more कोठी टिके आउ टिके बोल है परिवा. Particularly Cuttack history and
yes, Cuttack history is important because you are mentioning your and then your hobby also. Those are the two areas. Because you are mentioning specifically on this.
Yes.
And something about your qualification related some
Yes.
current developments in electronics and.
So it is more about 80% electrical and 20% electronics.
But anyway, some
Anyways.
current developments. I
Yes.
ask about satellite, they may not ask you. But something current, what is going on in that
Yes.
field? What are innovations coming up? How climate change addressed through new electrical systems that is coming up? So like this amount things. These three areas are important which you are declaring yourself. Try to-
Milan, just last question. Satellites watch on which sphere of our atmosphere? We have 4 spheres on our. You have also geography here. Satellite works on which sphere of our atmosphere? We have troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and ionosphere, exosphere.
Yes, ma'am.
Which particular sphere these satellites are working?
In ionosphere. Exosphere.
Exosphere.
But at the height, two different satellites, what are that?
36,000 kilometers.
That's the communication satellite.
Yes, communication.
Higher satellites,
Minimum 400 kilometers from the Earth's surface.
4 to
400 to 900
4 to
kilometers.
900. Mostly 7 to 900, not 400. Rarely 400, very few are there. Mostly 7 to 900. They are remote sensing satellites. They provide information about the Earth's surface resources mostly, process and phenomena. But communications are all run through the geostationary satellites which are at 36,000 or above 30,000. Okay, but I think those are not the questions for you, maybe, but a little innovation in climate change related electrical developments that is coming up. How to prevent pollution through your innovations.
And more about it, how to deal with the situational questions. Suppose I would be a DM or would be a VD or would be a Tehsildar. Actually, I am not in that position. I don't have any idea about their work profile and all. So these questions are not available online also. Not so much sources are available for this kind of situational questions.
Okay.
So how to deal with this kind of questions?
No,
Okay.
sir,
If you are posted as a video in the blog, what is the role of the video in the blog? To look into the overall development.
Yes.
So you will be utilizing the funds, implementing the programs of the government in the welfare of the community. And simultaneously he has to look into different components, different sections of the maybe engineering, maybe social activity, maybe education. All these are the hub of the block.
Yes.
So they have to monitor all that. But when you will be functioning as a video, what will be your focus? Now the question comes up. So the focus is what is your mindset towards this? What will be your priorities in my blog? My priority is to, I can create that I will see that government programs reaches to the people who are rightly justified to avail it, so that the poverty alleviation is uplifted. You can take a stand on that. Or I will look into a kind of education that is prevailing to see that the overall private education or a particular education is performing very well in my district, so that I can claim, yes, I have a contribution to this. So like this you have to take a stand. There are various areas where you can focus, or integrately you can take a stand.
Suppose I go blank in that particular question. So
Does
what
not look
should I
nice.
answer?
Does not look nice.
Oh, no.
In exploration questions, you have to give some answers and your thought,
Yes, sir.
because they will judge on that. In a question, technical question, if you miss, they will not judge you.
Yes, sir.
But in a such type of explorative question, they will judge you. What is your mind? What is your thought? What is your outlook? So this is
Broadly,
important.
yes, sir. Broadly, they will analyze not the figurative or the numbers, but what is your viewpoint broadly? Your
So that is the personality, no? It is a personality test, and that is the personality actually. Knowledge is not the personality. Knowledge we have already gone through. So you have to make your mind and look into some of the social causes where your prime focus will be. I will have an overall developmental approach, looking to the programs which are coming to my blog to see that it is real and transformed into actions, and see the benefit to the community and how my community in my blog gets uplifted, utilizing these programs to the best of its objectives. So these are some of the areas where you can kind of focus on women education or education in general, poverty alleviation in general, or agriculture. These are the three most important areas that is visible as a block development.
Yes, sir.
And simultaneously, if it is a disaster prone block, also I have to do something towards disaster risk reduction.
Yes.
If you are posted in a disaster prone block, you can focus on that also, along with this.
when is the
Interview?
Mine is on 1st October, sir.
All that what is,
And my roll number is in last.
okay, but you prepare well. I think you are, we are sure of your getting through.
Very good candidate, very good.
But today probably it was very
Sir, it
lopsided.
might be because I have not prepared. So
No, feel free, because
I think it's recording that. So I don't know.
no, it's not like that. Recording is there.
Completed, no? Recording
No,
now,
That
not
doesn't matter.
recorded.
It is for your
Yeah,
feedback.
I know.
Milan, our advice will be, because you are excellent, only thing is you should be at ease. The
Yes.
more you are at ease, for instance, Soviet Russia, you gave the point, glasnost, perestroika, but you stopped there.
No, so actually in some place somebody suggested me to be a specific and short answer. That's why I
This is
didn't
not a-
elaborate
this
that
is not a
answer.
short
No,
answer.
no,
This is
you would have noticed, it's not it's a broad question.
Yes, sir.
So in fact, I was surprised, it's a broad question, very,
Yes, sir. I could understand.
so
It's
a
a
broad
question.
question is, when you stop short, then in fact I was surprised.
Oh, no, sir. I know the answer, but that because of that advice only, I cut
Who
it
gave the
short.
time? Who gave
I
the
can't take the name.
No,
It is
no,
one
no.
of the
That was
institutes
repeating to
only.
my question when I asked about the
Because,
certificate.
you see,
It is some
No, if you
coaching
are not-
institute only who advised
No,
me
no,
to
if
make it
you- if
short
you-
and
no, no, if you-
correct. That is why
No, if you, I mean, it depends upon the nature. When, see, madam asked you, which spear? there is only one answer.
Yes.
There is no explanation.
Yes.
Sir, as a why Cuttack?
Yes, sir.
So, the scope does not permit expansion. But when I'm asking Soviet Russia,
Yes.
disintegration, my God, it's a very vast.
Must be.
The nature of the question permits you to expand upon it
Yes.
till the member says, okay.
Okay, sir. So,
You know, so
I understood.
that I was a little surprised, and then you get the point. That's all. Depending upon it,
Yes, sir.
and then you have to all that is possible when you are relaxed.
Yes, sir.
When you are reading the mind of the member, is he in a mood to take more? You would have noticed we had been careful. I was a little surprised because I had to think of
Yes.
I was surprised because I don't think there are a number of reasons. Then somebody, another candidate, the empire tried to extend itself. Lot of reasons. Because when you say perestroika and the other glasnost, that itself is a big. You have not explained what it is about.
Yes, sir.
But with being a science student, maybe engineering, you want to be very precise. No, that is about history. History is always expanding till the member gives you success. Okay. And about situations in DM, they know that you have not become a DM. Whereas possibly, suppose you ask me, police, I have been a policeman, so the board knows it's only a hypothetical question. So what is the correct means is a district magistrate, that aspect, developmental administrator, and a coordinator. So you wrote, and then you may say it is not answers are there. Answers are there. What is the role of a DM? Because and if you are there, what are the focus areas? So as DM, you will see that yes, the law and order, all those areas, whichever you want to control. Then corruption, the principles of administration, public administration come into play. Integrity, and then you are not only your integrity for yourself, but also the entire administration. That is responsibility, and supervision.
And when you have the right answer, nobody should stop. If you have a right answer, she should continue and take some time.
ताकि
Giving
हाँ सर सुनीला पर कि just board access करते हुए हाँ कि properly जाने से stop करते हुए बोलते 2 मिनट पर सुनला पर कि stop से तांको
तांको करिए, तो you should not stop.
हाँ
Yes, sir.
हाँ
I understand.
तांको stop करते हुए
See, so logic applicable only when there is a question, scientific question of
Okay, sir.
multiple choice answer to every question. That is okay.
कारण ये गोटे कथा सुनले ही तमरा पूरा 45 मिनट्स नेले भी सरीबनी जो कोलाप सहित इवेंट से साथ से गोटे 2
No,
मिनट स्टॉप कर
the question, for instance, we were asking Madam also, they propose to open the portals of NDA next year. Nobody knows how it is going to play out.
Yes.
It's a gentle thing. It's basically because you happen to be a lady.
Yes.
So they would like to know. In fact, they may be curious to know also. There are no right answers. You know, that's I keep saying, humanity is rare. There can be multiple perspectives, sometimes conflicting, which are equally valid.
Yes, sir.
Is it? So that is where you have clear views, independent views, strong views, brings out your personality. That means the board is convinced that you don't think gender is a disadvantage. That is the point.
Yes, sir.
That is the point.
Yes, sir.
So you say no. There's no problem. It has been there perpetually. We can take care of the house and we can take care of the office. That comes out very strongly.
Yes.
That is where they assess your person. Oh, it's a very strong personality. She has clarity of thought, conviction, and the courage of conviction.
Yes.
So the other things are okay. You will do very well, Milan.
Yes.
All the best. God bless you, Milan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We have rated you very high, and our expectation is that.
No self-doubt at all. At some stage, you should start enjoying the conversation. It's a conversation. Okay.